Whether you're a beginner pilot, a content creator, or a drone hobbyist, 2025 is packed with powerful and portable mini drones. These drones offer 8K cameras, obstacle avoidance, foldable designs, and longer flight times without breaking the bank. Here are the top 5 best mini drones on AliExpress 2025. Perfect for flying on a budget with big features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. S2S Mini Drone 8K. Obstacle avoidance plus 25-minute flight. The S2S Mini drone offers an 8K HD camera, 25-minute flight time, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance, all in a foldable, lightweight frame. Ideal for Xiaomi fans and drone newbies. Despite being compact, this drone delivers surprisingly stable flight thanks to its optical flow positioning and brushless motors. The camera angle is adjustable, and the obstacle avoidance tech gives beginners more confidence during flight. Footage quality is decent in good light, and it folds into your palm for easy travel. Pros: 8K camera, digitally enhanced, great beginner features, lightweight and foldable, obstacle avoidance built in. A solid, budget-friendly drone with premium-like features, great for new pilots looking to learn with confidence. Number 2. E88 GT Drone 8K. Dual camera, screen remote. The E88 GT drone features dual 8K cameras, a large LCD screen remote, brushless motor, and optical flow positioning. The standout here is the controller with built-in screen, meaning you don't need a smartphone to fly FPV. The dual camera system captures both aerial and ground-level footage, and it's surprisingly responsive in flight. Brushless motors add durability, and battery life holds up around 20+ minutes. Pros: dual 8K cameras, screen built into remote, easy setup, no phone required, foldable design. For pilots who want FPV without phone hassle, the E88 GT brings a unique edge in both design and simplicity. Number 3. Xiaomi Mija V198 GPS Max. Laser obstacle avoidance. This drone from Xiaomi's Mijia line includes laser-based obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, brushless motors, and a high-quality 8K camera. The V198 GPS Max feels more polished than most mini drones. Its GPS-assisted stability and laser-based obstacle detection allow for safer and more precise flight. The camera delivers clear footage, especially during sunny conditions. It's one of the more premium-feeling options on AliExpress under a small form factor. Pros: accurate GPS positioning, advanced laser obstacle system, Xiaomi brand quality, stable brushless motors. A smart choice for those wanting a more professional flight experience in a mini form, especially for travel content creators. Number 4. S159 GPS Pro Drone. Dual camera plus obstacle avoidance. The S159 GPS Pro features 5G FPV transmission, 8K dual cameras, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a built-in screen remote. With both 5G connectivity and GPS, this drone offers impressively smooth flight. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance covers front, sides, and bottom, which is rare at this price. The screen remote lets you fly even without a phone, and it delivers sharp 8K video in well-lit environments. Pros: omnidirectional obstacle sensors, 5G fast transmission, built-in screen remote, GPS stability. A feature-loaded drone that gives you full control and extra safety, especially for beginner and intermediate flyers. Number 5. Xiaomi S156 Drone. Dual camera plus 360 degrees wide angle. The Xiaomi S156 comes with dual 8K wide-angle cameras, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and foldable arms for portability. With 360 degrees wide-angle capture, the S156 is made for capturing immersive shots. The dual camera view lets you record the sky and ground simultaneously, while its 5G transmission delivers low-lag live video. It has a balanced feel in the air and solid flight controls, making it fun for hobbyists and content shooters. Pros: dual cameras with 360 degrees wide angle, foldable and travel ready, 5G fast streaming, good stabilization, a stylish and functional drone, ideal for wide-angle travel footage and quick on-the-go aerial content. Mini drones in 2025 are smarter, lighter, and more capable than ever. Whether you want cinematic aerials, GPS control, or obstacle avoiding performance, there's a mini drone for you on AliExpress. Quick recap: S2S Mini drone, best budget beginner drone. E88 GT drone, best for FPV with screen remote. Xiaomi V198 GPS Max, best for GPS plus laser obstacle tech. S159 GPS Pro, best for 5G plus full obstacle protection. Xiaomi S156 drone, best for wide-angle dual-camera flying. All product links are in the description below. Which mini drone caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Hit like if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more gadget roundups, tech tips, and reviews. Until next time, happy flying!